Today I'm reviewing a real classic in the world of snap-off knives, the OLFA L-1. If you've ever looked into utility knives, chances are you've come across this one. It's been around for decades and for good reason. Let's take a closer look at what makes it special and if it still holds up today. At first glance, the L1 doesn't look flashy. It's a straightforward plastic-bodied knife with a wheel ratchet lock. But don't let that simplicity fool you. This design has barely changed since OLFA first released it. The body is made of durable ABS plastic, lightweight but tough enough for everyday work. The brass wheel lock is solid, which gives you full control over how tight you want the blade held and refine its position. The L1 usually comes with an 18mm silver blade, but swapping in a black blade makes for an excellent combo. Both types of blades are heavy duty, sharp, and you can always snap off a fresh segment when you need a sharp edge. The main difference is that the silver blade requires snapping more often. Cutting performance is excellent for cardboard, plastic sheeting, foam board, and most workshop or job site tasks. The combination of a simple handle and that reliable blade system make it versatile and predictable. You always know what you're getting. Pros: it is affordable and widely available. Reliable, proven design. Lightweight and easy to handle. There's a solid wheel ratchet lock, and it is great for both everyday and professional use. Cons: there is no blade storage in the handle. The plastic handle can feel basic compared to modern rubberized handles, and the wheel ratchet lock can feel slower than auto-lock mechanism. It doesn't have a built-in snapper, but most heavy-duty knife doesn't. In that case, you should use a disposal bin, a pliers, or an external snapper. The L1 is perfect for users who want a lightweight, no-frill utility knife. Its simple design, durable ABS body, solid wheel ratchet lock, and standard 18mm blades deliver reliable, consistent performance. In terms of features and performance, it sits between the Tajima LC500 and the Anti-Cutter L500. In my view, it goes neck and neck with the L500. The OLFA L1 is one of those designs that's basically timeless. You'll still see it in workshops, art studios, and toolboxes all over the world. It's affordable, easy to find, and it's proven itself for decades. So, is the OLFA L1 worth it today? Absolutely. It may not have the bells and whistles of newer knives, but it's reliable, comfortable, and built to last. If you need an everyday utility knife that just works, the L1 is still one of the best values out there. That's my take on the OLFA L1, a simple classic knife that has earned its place as a standard in the world of snap-offs. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more knife comparisons, deep dives, and tips, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more coming up on the channel.